That's the sound of the GPUs working on the chain. Make your own luck. Let's set up FrogCoin in HiveOS. We're going to do that thing that we always do. We're going to add the wallet. And we're going to put in the ticker, which I believe is FRG. And then we're going to paste our address in there. Give it a name for the wallet. And we're going to create the wallet. Once we have that done, we're going to go to flight sheets. We're going to go scroll down to FRG or type it in there, which probably would have been faster. I'm going to select the wallet, the one we made Frogger. I'm going to select the pool, which is configure in miner. I'm going to select the miner, which is wild rig multi. Once we have that set up, we're going to set up the miner config, and we're going to select the algorithm, which is BMW512. The wallet and worker name, we're just going to put in %vol %. The pool, we're going to use the R plant, paste that in there, and then we're going to put a password of XY. And we're going to apply the changes. After that's done, let's give it a name. We're going to call it frog test deet, frog test sheet, create flight sheet. Now we should be able to go to that rig and start the flight sheet. So we're going to go to the flight sheet. Click on frog test sheet, launch it, and a couple of seconds, minutes, hours later, we're going to go to the overview and see that nothing's happening because I'm impatient. One of the ways to see if something is happening is we can actually go to the shell, which I'm going to do right now. When we go in the shell, we can look at what is happening with those cards and that algorithm. Here we type in MOTD watch, and it will show us exactly what's going on with that rig and those cards. And it's accepting shares, and it's hashing away, and it appears to be working, which is good. So let's go back to the overview. I'm going to hit the refresh because I can't stand not seeing anything up there for the fans, because I have some sort of fan fetish. And what do we do when we think we got it working? Well, we trust, but we verify. So I go to the mining pool stats, type in FrogCoin, I go there, and then I go to the pool that we're using, which is our plant. And then what we're going to do next is actually put in the miner address. And we should be able to see under workers :1 the hash rate. And there it is. That's how you set up FrogCoin in HiveOS and check to see that everything seems to be working. Hold your horses, there's just a little more. Some may be wondering how I got the stratum address to put in there. So I go to mining pool stats, put into FrogCoin. Then we're going to click on our plant. And we're going to click on connect. From here, this is where we can set the password for the miner, which I will set, and it's going to have problems later because we don't actually have a miner set up. And then I'm going to set the minimal payout to $11 billion and click set. And that's not going to work because, once again, we don't have a miner. Now for the real reason we're messing around here. We click on connect. We're going to go to miner config, select wild rig multi. We're going to choose our operating system. I'm going to choose the nearest stratum, which is Marca. and we're going to put in some fictitious wallet address and fictitious worker name and show that we can go solo or no solo. And this is how we get the address to put in there for HiveOS.